My name is Her Royal Highness Princess Londiwe Kancamo ozalwa esithole sakazulu endlini yaseZulu eNkadabulanzi kaMbande aphinda asebenze ku-Stakeholders Office of the Zulu Kingdom and unane foundation asebenza kakhulu kuye nabantu abaningi abahlukene. The reason for this briefing is because of this media statement or kufanele ngabe kuna media statement ekuzofanele engabe iyakhishwa because of court documents ngokwe-litigation ekuzolotshwa i-application tomorrow on the 6th of December High Court, Durban High Court. Plaintiffs for that application or applicants, it's myself as the first applicant and kunamanye applicants ekubalwa kubo iZulu Royal Family, i-cabinet yaseNdlunkulu, amakhosi wonke athintekayo e-Royal Upper House, umkhondo wesizwe, military veterans okungamasosha omkhondo wesizwe, abantu abawazi njengamasosha kaMayibuye, wempi kaMayibuye, kube i-religious community and traditional healers. The respondents to a case esikhuluma ngayo is uNgamalala or President Jacob Gedleyihlekisa Zuma as the first respondent, umkhondo wesizwe political party, kube umkhondo wesizwe political party NPC, kube ama respondents kubona ekubalwa uJabulani Khumalo, ekubalwa uZiqu Credo Madondo, ekubalwa kubo uSibusiso Dumisani Nyathi, ekubalwa kubo uMthokozi Sidladla, ekubalwa kubo Raymond Khumalo, ekubalwa kubo Mhlaba uhlangene uGasa, ekubalwa kubo Manzini, uBhekizenze, ekubalwa kubona okay, before I get to Manzini, so the first ones from Jabulani to the 10th defendant, those were the original signatories. We application eyafakwa kulonjwa umkhondo wesizwe iparty, then ngokwe certificate ye-NPC la kuvela khona uMasilela uLebohang nabo Jabulani, at least 4 of them abavela khona, and our 13th defendants, uSecretary we-National Assembly kushuthi iParliament lethe elikhulu leli elihlala uPresident, kube Speaker of the Parliament, National Assembly, kube uStandard Bank. uStandard Bank, the original account yomkhondo wesizwe party mayiqale register as the party, i-account yayo siyayisiza, siyayi-attach to this application, FNB, organization as well, kube Capitec account ekababa le ekazoma uNgamalala, kube i-Absa Bank, kube i-First Rand Bank, kube i-Banking Association South Africa, kube i-Nedbank. I-application again, one is statement esihambisana namanye ama-documents ngokwe-media briefing. Okokuqala kuzofanele iyachaza i-application which I'm going to attach as ama-documents ahambisana nale nkulumo esiyikhulumayo, ukuthi obani abakhulumayo, why befaka ama-court documents. It's just the draft engakapheli abathe bebhizi abameli ngathi because isikhathi salento eyenzakalayo there's too much pressure. Siyangishiya ngicela ukuthi bangithumelele those documents in as much as draftwayo, but I'll attach it anyway kungakafiki la kufika khona. There are a lot of mistakes amanye abenganga editwa, but because ngithe ngiyaphuthuma ngicela banginike because I need to do this briefing so that people will have evidence nokuthi I'm not bluffing. There are a lot of attachments ekufanele bewafakile as well. So this statement it's in response to the ongoing challenges now we-organization, i-organization yomkhondo wesizwe party. Engisazoyichaza ukuthi why this organization. Kuma demands ke awenziwayo khona is to review review of the founding agreements between the founders of the organization nabantu abarani organization kunamhlanje. Engathi kuningi la sekuphambana khona from ivumelwano ebekhona. we will examine the original arrangements made during the formation of the organization to ensure their proper implementation and adherence. Awesibili, unconstitutional appointment and expulsion of members. Like even yesterday we had a case ga Mary in Mpumalanga. I winile, and today sivuke ne case ga Tibe or Utebe abanye bambiza kanjalo no Teketi bayayazi kakhulu kade bebelida ku Triple AM, and they were members of parliament kufanele baqale bagcina bengakwazanga ukuqala kwi organization. We also have the 18 members who were aba National Assembly abaxoshwa nabo bexoshwa kwi organization ngegama lika Babuthe. So at least 2 of them abuyiselwa again emsebenzini eParliament, but then the others were replaced by abomani. Ngicabanga ukuthi in some of ama video yabonakala uManyi behlangene because uManyi replaced uSihle as chief whip, but uSihle bengaphumile emsebenzini uqhubekile khona eParliament. And we have the 10 efake litigation again ebikade ihamba okhuzwayo Mado, and that group from our provinces almost wonke except for Western Cape, because Western Cape we didn't have a representative in any case. So basena case yabo esenkantolo, of which ubaba sent uBarnabas ukuthi ahambe ayo negotiate settlement with these members, because bese already kunabanye abareplacewayo, umthetho weParliament is saying something else, AMK is doing something else. I went to Cape Town myself and I had those members ngine meeting nabo, because bese kuningi okonakele regarding that. Just last week kunama messages and izinto eziningi bese trend azisho ukuthi those members were reinstated at Parliament. Yes, the agreements ayisho njalo, but ama court cases including attaching the accounts organization agcine enza ukuthi kube nenkinga eyenza ukuthi abengakwazi ukuqhubeka. Okubuhlungu ukuze kube nezingane commit suicide, trying to commit suicide, because if abaze batholwe in time ngabe kusho ukuthi i-organization isinanamadent. Bese kuba i-message eyayicirculate ngaleso sikhathi ekhomba ukuthi lezo ingane or those members of Parliament are reinstateiwe emsebenzini, and the benefits wabo abuyiselwa. Ongesiliqiniso, only a few benefits abuyiselwa, but asephinde avalwa again. And asaqhubeka ama cases, isaqhubeka, their matter is still under sub judice. So we have so many cases. Amanye former national organizer, the former SGs, maningi ama cases akhona kwi-organization, of which now we are doing totally the opposite of what i-organization ebithi yokumela. Abantu bafike banethezeke eParliament, bakhohle ukuthi bathunyiwe, bafike bajabulela ukuthi bayahola, ukuthi obani kabangenile. We all know the story. So remove Gorbachev at the time esase u-SG kuzongena u-advocate Mashudu, what happened. Others, they don't know the list, udabala list ukuthi kwenzakalani. So azodwela much on that story, because we'll end up losing i-focus yokuthi kwenzakalani kulento esikhuluma ngayo. So kunama members busy ku-appointwana abantu ngobungani babo, okungase siyinto yabanikazi babantu abathuma i-organization or abathuma abantu that are representing them kwi-organization. There's a lot that has been happening ever since i-organization iqalile. Ngizongena kuma details ukuthi lo khuluma njengobani kuvela phi ngikhulumayo. So icover lokho point number 2, kuphinde kube litigation cases engwabalayo la senkantolo adla nemali ye-organization nayenza izinto unnecessary, even kwakhona ke enkantolo. You can't challenge this constitution again wena udlalela ezandleni zawo, kanti yini silwela, yini esikade sifuna in the first place. Bese kuba profiling of every staff member from National Assembly, National Executive Council, provincial regions and zones. We need to do profiling of all those people. Ngizobuyela ekuqaleni la organization iqala ekhona ukuthi, and why this point. August 5 ngikhoshwa ile light assessment of governance structures, a comprehensive review of the National High Command. Sine National High Command kunabantu abafike ngendlela abafike ngayo kuyo National High Command already asebenza izinto eziphambene nalento elindelekile, the advisory, the security, the disciplinary council will be undertaken in light of recent decisions and their impact of the organization's operations. This will include a thorough examination of the organization's constitution to ensure it remains aligned with its founding principles. Always seek the update of the KwaZulu-Natal government status since the voters exercise i-right yawo ngesikhathi ama-voters ethu evotela umkhonto wesizwe party avota ngoba enethemba lokuthi kukhona okuzokwenzeka kuzoba ushintsho ku-government. They needed change and abantu basebenzisa imali zabo, they contributed. Uyabona ukuthi abantu befisa ukuthi bawubone uhulumeni ushintsho empilweni zabo, uletha noshintsho, bacontribute imali zabo, baqeda amandla abo, abanye bamosha their relationships nama-business akade benawo because bebefuna ukulibona ushintsho, bazi ukuthi impilo zabo izoshintsha. But at the end of the day abantu abasazi ukuthi kwenzalani because i-KZN iwinwa umkhonto wesizwe party, and we know ukuthi our government is shaped by indlunkulu thina la KwaZulu-Natal and also even with the national parliament. Ngiphethe ke le ncwadi kuqala. I-reason yokuthi ngizenzele this media briefing, it's because one, utha umuntu eseqedile wayisila idili yokuhlanganisa uhulumeni ka-ANC nawa province and u-MK, uma kuzongena ubaba uWilson Mchunu abantu bagijima bathanda benza izinto zabo emathanda ngoba bezwa indlebe eyodwa ukuthi sekunenkulumo enjalo. Yes, zikhona ivumelano enjengalezo, bengigcine ngilindeke obaba uMtolo babuyela kade beyo entweni yabo ka-ANC eGoli belungisa izinto abaphambene nazo. Uhulumeni waKwaZulu-Natal ivumelwano zikhona, but njengamanje noma bayaxoshwa noma baxoshwa thina ivumelwano zenziwe before baxoshwa mawukuthi bayaxoshwa. I don't know what is happening with ANC. Angifuni nokuthi ngize ngithi dwell much on that. So we have ihlalo za ANC thina zihlangana ne-MK party ezineyivumelwano eyithile eziye kwafanele kugcine ubaba uMacingwane sekuflada abantu ku-space sakhona. uWilson Mchunu akwazi akufanele akhiphe statement through i-office because ubekuyima ezoqala on Monday e-office ngaleyo weekend yaleso siphithiphithi eThekwini. Kwafanele ukuthi afake statement sokhoxisa inkulumo because anyway bese kunabantu asebesihambela phambili kudaba esikhuluma ngalo. Okwesibili, incwadi engiyiphethe la eyesimemo esikaMnumzwana Ivan Bans, the president of the NFP, of which in principle we had already agreed ukuthi isihlalo se-NFP siwelela ngala, okusho ukuthi coalition yethu isihlanganisa umkhonto wesizwe, ihlanganisa i-EFF, ihlanganisa i-ANC, ihlanganisa ne-NFP. Seniyalibalela ke lapho abantu bakithi ukuthi should lezo ihlalo zisho ukuthini. So I drafted this letter myself. Ngase ngithi because bekumhla ka1 sikhuluma no Mr. Banks ezoba ne-NEC on Saturday, and they were hoping ukuthi sizobe sesisendile incwadi ye-invitation ezohlalisa ubaba uBanks noNqamalala ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sifinalize ivumelano zethu because nabo banezinto zabo ama-demands abanawo, nathi we also have our own demands, and other stakeholders, they have their own demands. So ngibhalile ilindi ukuthi sayine ubaba uNqamalala because i-tendency ekhona here in the organization kunama-members ayifica imoto ihamba ayigibela afika athola ukuthi the office is not in order. As a result bese bekwazi ukuthi batshela abantu ukuthi ubaba uthe beshinto engeyiyo, bafike babhale basayina izinto beforge ama-signatures abantu kobhisho ema-legislature or abantu bexoshana bodwa bebhala izinto engekho emthethweni, ezinye kuthiwa zibhale uNqamalala ishiwo uNqamalala, and i-evidence to that uNqamalala bengeka ethe usihle esase-chief whip athi akabaxoshe laba abawu-18 khona njalo bese phinde ethi laba babili baxoshe kanjani babuyisele emuva athi kwathuba buthe bese kugcineni abantu bese begcina bekuphika kwalokho okukhulunywa ngakho. There's a lot of izinto ezikhona and i-propaganda in this organization is too much. So umuntu decide ukuthi no man, kudala kushaya inja yaphuma inja kwashawa kwaphuma umfana olusinja, but abanikazi benja bebengakaphumi. So sifika la esithatha khona decision yokuthi uma ngabe singalandeli izinto esivumelene ngazo kusho le organization we might as well forget ukuthi iya exist. And again, the issue of the headquarters organization, Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Umkhonto weSizwe Party cannot go to any other province, head office, the headquarters, cannot go to any other head office or any other province, because the headquarters, the headquarters is on Dini, Iganongoma, because the formation of the organization, and it's also background there, organization, before ngize ngikhulume ngokuthi uma isingenile ke this application in court engizo attach ama documents wakhona ngi-attach incwadi ka ebhalwa egameni upresident to Mr. Ivan Bantz akakayisayini uNcamalala, because angifuni kulokhu kuhamba abantu abayothuba buthe abagijima qala bafike bawo negotiate izinto abangazazi, bafike benza ama commitments abangawazi. And another thing, Mr. Manyi, sorry to point him out of wonke omunye umuntu owenza ezinye izinto, abantu abangenzi ama-commitments ezinto engekho emthethweni, because you can't be the very same organization that is challenging what has been happening kusukela kuNcamalala ngokuboshwa ngendlela aboshwe ngayo and other cases and other things esiyibona zi-unfair emthethweni, bese kuba the very same people sekuzoba ibona baphula umthetho who are supposed to be representing our communities, or even abantu okuyibona ababathumile kube yibona sebephambanisa umthetho. Uthi Mr. Manyi mayememezela uthi there are other 10 positions akhona abantu bazokwazi ukongena eParliament. One umthetho weParliament uthe up until end of June akekho enye member ezokwazi ukuhamba yongena eParliament. I don't know where does that come from, ukuthi khona abantu abasazokwazi ukwenza. Yebo kwenzeka bakwazi ukungena bona, I don't know njoba sebe othebe sebe win icase yabo ibabuyisele eParliament, and others should they win laba icase yabo or le top 10 out of le 18, because abanye abafakanga abalochanga any case with regards to that. Uma bebuyiselwa kusho kuzokwenzakala ngalaba members are extra. There are a lot of things that are happening in Parliament, including uqasha kwabantu like the researchers, uqasha kubantu abase officeini engengafika kule at the time bekusase empty uma ngabe ngolungisa lezi inkinga bezikhona ku National Assembly. Angifuna ukuyikhuluma kakhulu province nayo inezitori zawo, or other provinces as well, ngoba nenkinga zawo njoba ngisho ukuthi nako Bhisho baxoshene eMpumalanga kwanamhlanje besikhuluma udaba le even we structure se province le luka comrade Umeri, because another thing, people are very much confused in this organization. Let me clarify this. One, the commanders amasosha omkhonto wesizwe laba abagqoka this combat, amasosha omkhonto wesizwe empika mayibuye, the military veterans abafola ngaphansi kwe-Department of Defense and Military Veterans as ama-beneficiaries, non-statutory forces. Kubo uthe ku-DMV mawungichazela ukuthi kungani other members, because they had at least selected or but selected at least 1,268 members omkhonto wesizwe military veterans ekufanele ngabe ayaverifywa bese ngena kwi-database. So those members, because banama benefits wabo ngaphansi kwa Defense and Military Veterans Department, Deputy Minister wakhona njengamanje uGeneral Holomisa esathi masikhuluma naye athi wonke amasosha afanele ngenele ku-database aqualify ukuthi angene ku-database, bayawazi ka-qualify. Enye into eyenza ukuthi abantu baweya amasosha is because ngesikhathi ku-integrator kunabantu ababese ma-positioning abathatha abafaka iy'hlobo zabo, just ordinary members of the community or ama-civilians or civil, bafaka wona a-replace amasosha. Kwathi amasosha ahambile ngempela ayolwimpika mayibuye. Anyway, abantu baphinde bathi labo bantu abasilwelanga, because immediately after those arrangements ayenziwa bathile on behalf of our country and our security, kulahlwa ibhamu lapho elahla khona kwathiwa impisi isiphelile. Abantu bazi ukuthi ababalwelanga, yet kunabantu la bahamba abangasaphila, abanye abaze babuye. As we speak, sihamba icase ka Command Ngoloyi wayekade nabo Ncamalala le ngesikhathi uNcamalala eseSwazini, owathathwa amasosha, owathathwa amaphoyisa obandlululo at the time. That case bekade ihlehliswa nje manje kade ngomhla ka 11 umhla ka-17 if I'm not mistaken ngoNovember epostponelwe next year kaKhomanda uMngolo umngoma eZulu ethinta nomzala Nxumalo noSimelane, and leyo case leyo abelungu labo lawo mabhunu lawo aseyivuma icase okungangokuthi azogwetshwa noma engabe kuthiwa gugile kanjani ngoba manje hamba nezigubha hamba nayo yonke into awasakwazi ukuyihambela. So these soldiers okwenza ukuthi abantu ke bayithole beba confused iqala, they think they're just abantu nje abawo no name. Let me tell you, good people, one of the founders of this organization called Umkhonto Wesizwe, because these are members of Umkhonto Wesizwe ke bona abahamba bayolimpiyo yamayiboya. They are one of the founders of the organization, and obekwenza ukuthi kubizwe abantu ngama commanders. Wonke umuntu esegcine ibiza ngeCommander kwi-organization, because I need to via this class inyana ukuze abantu bengagcini beconfuse or kuhlekwe abantu abangahambisani ne-organization. It's because it was expected to have them kuma-regions or kwi-leadership kuyibona ekufoloswe ngabo khona, because i-organization bama-co-founders e-organization with ubukhosi from Indlunkulu yakaZulu, Ingonyama isilubheka uZulu, usilo uZwelithini Sikhotheme uMdlokombane. I founder Umkhonto Wesizwe ngo